Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a while, everyone, but this video is not about that. But maybe one day I may make a vlog concerning why I've been gone. But honey, today it is about this OUTRE Style and Dash Daily 2 unit in the color 34 is what we're going to be talking about today. It's a salt and pepper unit, you guys. I have been doing more of these salt and pepper wigs because some of my family members want me to do salt and pepper wigs, honey. Yes, family members like these salt and pepper wigs, and it doesn't necessarily mean that they are the older generation either, honey. Some of them are young. If you hear my co-host in the back, that is just my grandbaby, you guys. You guys don't pay her no attention, but I have to pay her some attention, honey, because that is my grandbaby, and I got to keep her safe. So I'm going to go ahead on and jump off into this unit. I'm going to go ahead and take out the pack. Here it is right here. Salt and pepper, as you can see. Lace part unit, no lace. It's not a lace front. It is a lace part unit. Go ahead and take that stuffing out, and this is what you got. You have 2 ear tab combs. You have you got a wig band inside of here. You have a nape comb, adjustable straps, and this is a full wig with a lace part right there. No lace front at all, but this is what you got. This is what you get, okay? I'm going to go ahead on and pop this unit on, and I will be back with you guys shortly. Pretty nice. You guys, as you can very well see, I am done styling this unit, and this is what I got, you guys. There is no way you need to do anything else to this unit besides slap it on. Make sure your part is straight and you're done, because this unit does have ear tabs. However, if you do want to shift your units, go ahead and shift away, you guys, but it does have ear tabs, okay? It does have those. Now, again, this is the Style and Dash unit, 100% synthetic fibers. This is it in a 12-inch, is what it is, and I have the color number 34, and it does come in other colors as well that are listed right here on the back of the stock card, as well at the bottom, of the stock card. Once again, you guys, this is a lace part unit. That is a pretty clean part right here, you guys. It is salt and pepper all the way through. Look at those fibers once again. There's not much to tell about this unit. It is a throw and go, as you can very well see. You don't even have to hit the bottom at all with your heating tool. I think it's great. So if you all have any questions about this unit, go ahead and hit me up in the description box or the comment section below, and I will get back with you guys if you have any other questions. For all those who are out there watching, bye for now.